cafe just through there, as you can see. Probably not. I'll show you in a minute. It's the Eiffel Tower. Where might we be? We're in the Gallery Lafayette. I love it in here. The cafe bit at the top. Number one, you get a really nice view of the Eiffel Tower, but it's a little bit less intimidating to order food as well. Let me just show you what we can see. I mean, how nice is that view? I feel like you would pay really, you know, a premium to get a view like that with dinner. The Christmas tree is insane. I mean, was there ever anything more magical? Plus, from here, you also get a really nice view of the makeup counters, almost as magical. Do you remember when baubles used to be like this? This is such a bizarre throwback. Like, these decorations are so 80s.
I kind of like them.
We just did a photo booth. This is so funny. It was like an old school photo booth. You couldn't see yourself. That first picture of Emma.
I wasn't ready.
She's like, where's the picture of me? And then we got it. And then we were happy about it. We're supposed to be on our way to the Louvre. We got slightly sidetracked. I was remarkably restrained in Sephora and bought absolutely nothing. Yet, there'll be another trip. So we are now at the Louvre. Here we go. Ta-da! We have been in full tourist mode, taking pictures for the gram, and now we're off to find our black and white columns. Go, go. Okay, yeah, go. Oh, I was still recording.
Jump into the middle and then I'll hop. Like, hop into the middle. No, 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 not that one. This one. And then go across. Go that way. Stop. And then come back this way. This way. To this one. To this one. Then to come to, no, towards the camera would have been better. We found it. It was actually nowhere near the Louvre. And I can't believe I've never been here before. I didn't even know this was a thing. Instagram sent me. Instagram sent me here. It's like a draft board.
It is,
look,
yeah.
I mean, I didn't coordinate at all.
Not on purpose.
I just decided that she's going to climb.
My shoes are too sliding. And I've got no upper body strength.
No, I don't think it's going to happen. And I don't fancy taking you to the hospital. What's hospital in French? What's hospital in French? Hôpital. Hôpital.
L'hôpital!
Why was I not recording at that point? She's crazy. Let it be known, she's crazy. Right, go on then. Oh my god, you're standing up? Yeah. Are you going to stand up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Please be careful.
I don't know if I am.
Oh. Please.
How am I going to get back down again? That's the question.
I don't know, I'm not going to leave you. Bye.
Hold on, I stood up. Ow! My feet, my feet, my feet.
We have spent an inordinate amount of time. An inordinate amount of time, would you say? Right here. We've taken so many pictures. It's been unbelievable. And now we're just hanging out by these silver balls. As you do. We have come to a...
Have I got chocolate around my face?
No, you haven't, I swear. We've come to a cafe. Emma's got this hot chocolate that's like thick as you like. It's really, really
So sweet.
heavy duty hot chocolate. I got an Aperol Spritz. Just the one, I swear. I'm really cold. Not quite so sweet. And we're sitting outside because we thought it would make a nice picture. Kind of regretting it because it's freezing. My toes are quite cold now. We are back at the Louvre. Look at that sky. We're walking over to the wheel. Oh, it's all lit up as well. And it's like Christmas colours. That can't be an accident. The sky is so pretty. Although it kind of looks like there's some kind of weird vortex that might suck us up into the middle of it. Can anybody else see that? There we go, the big wheel. There's also like a Christmas market down there. I think they always have some kind of stands because I've had like crepes and waffles and stuff before around there. But I think it is Christmassy. And just over there is the Eiffel Tower. I'm hoping we're going to get onto the wheel quick enough that we can take some sunset pictures before it gets dark. They have fully Christmased it up, like, oh, zoom out instead. The whole thing. I'm now wondering, is this even the same wheel? So they usually have, they imported a different wheel. And the market is like insane. We're going back to eat there in a minute. I'm starving, just so much cheese.
Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. We'll stroll down Champs-Élysées, wishing our troubles away. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year.
So that was fun, and now we're gonna have a little wander around the Christmas lights. What? Oh my god! What is this, Venice Beach? So we're gonna have a wander through the Christmas markets.
2 first-class seats to Charles de Gaulle out of St. Louis Lambert Field. So let's make a clean getaway and not come back till New Year's Day.
That fondue I had earlier just didn't do the trick. So I've got this, I have no idea what it is. It's like a pancake. It's like a thick, like bizarre, like a thick pancake with like chicken, onions, I think it was like a tragine, or I forget the sauce, and cheese. It's delicious. Emma's just shopping for creepy dolls.
Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year.
We've come back to the Louvre at night just to see it all lit up. And I've just ordered an Uber because we are freezing. We're in the oldest, most rickety lift. And also, it goes 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're on floor 1. Also, the lift has a separate door. we have to take the stairs. It was a whole thing. I'll show you tomorrow, but I'm dying. I want to see what this room is like.
Oh, that way? Oh, it's not too bad.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's not as bad as I imagined.
It's okay.
Been transported to my grandma's house in the 80s. I'm sure it's just from being outside in the cold all day, but I feel like I'm coming down with something. My face is like red and it's really warm to the touch. I'm hoping a couple of ibuprofen and a good night's sleep will fix me right up.
Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year.